If you wish to fix ERR name not resolved on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R key to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the internet connections window. Right click on the active network connection which is in green color. Select properties. Double click on internet protocol version 4. Now select this option here which says use the following DNS server address. Enter 8.8.8.8 as a preferred one and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate one. This is Google's DNS address. Click on OK and then on OK. Now you're just passing through Google's own DNS address, so the issue should be fixed. But in the rare case that it doesn't fix the issue, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Okay, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, select network reset, click on reset now and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.